21.5 Reflex action and reflex arc. You must have experienced a sudden withdrawal of a body part which comes in contact with objects that are extremely hot, cold, pointed, or animals that are scary or poisonous. The entire process of response to a peripheral nervous stimulation that occur involuntarily, that is, without conscious effort or thought, and requires the involvement of a part of the central nervous system, is called a reflex action. The reflex pathway comprises at least one afferent neuron receptors and one efferent effector or exciter neuron appropriately arranged in a series. Figure 21.5. The afferent neurons receive signal from a sensory organ and transmits the impulse via a dorsal nerve root into the CNS at the level of spinal cord. The efferent neuron then carries signals from CNS to the effector. The stimulus and response thus forms a reflex arc as shown below in the knee-jerk reflex. You should carefully study figure 21.5 to understand the mechanism of a knee-jerk reflex. 21.6 Sensory reception and processing. Have you ever thought, how do you feel the climatic changes in the environment? How do you see an object and its color? How do you hear a sound? The sensory organs detect all types of changes in the environment and send appropriate signal to the CNS, where all the inputs are processed and analyzed. Signals are then sent to different centers of the brain. This is how you can sense changes in the environment. Sense organs. We smell things by our nose, taste by tongue, hear by ear, and see objects by eyes. The nose contains mucus-coated receptors which are specialized for receiving the sense of smell and called olfactory receptors. These are made up of olfactory epithelium that consists of three kinds of cells. The neuron of the olfactory epithelium extend from the outside environment directly into a pair of broad bean-sized organs called olfactory bulb, which are extensions of the brain's limbic system. Both nose and tongue detect dissolved chemicals. The chemical senses of gustation, taste, and olfactory smell are functionally similar and interrelated. The tongue detects taste through taste buds containing gustatory receptors. With each taste of food or sip of drink, the brain integrates the differential inputs from the taste bud and a complex flavor is perceived. In the following sections, you will be introduced to the structure and functioning of the eye, sensory organ for vision, and the ear, sensory organ for hearing.